My name's Keith Cooper of Northlight Images. This is a very short video about why you shouldn't throw away inks. Why would you throw away inks? Well, it's strange. I've had several people recently ask me about getting a printer, Epson printers, and this generally applies to Canon as well. And they said, I'm worried about getting this printer. I wouldn't print enough on it, so I'd have to throw away good ink every year. Now, I've no idea where this nonsense comes from. It's probably because ink cartridges, and these are large ones from 200 millilitres of ink per cartridge from my P5000 over there, they have a date on them. Now, I was talking some time ago to someone from Epson, and they said, well, these dates are not sort of best before dates. They're not like food you put in the fridge. Where if you put a chicken in the fridge, it says use it by whenever, and you'd be unwise to go much past that date. These are essentially stock control dates. If you've got a stock of inks, so you've got a whole lot of big printers and you've got lots of spare inks, these inks are quite expensive. You don't want to sort of keep old stock, extra old stock. Now, there's very little difference in using out-of-date ink. In fact, I know people who get out-of-date cartridges of this size, take the ink out and refill other cartridges from them. Do they have problems? No, they don't have problems. Well, they might have problems actually getting the cartridges to work and things, but that's an entirely different matter. For these, this date that you get on the end of the cartridge is essentially, as I say, for stock control purposes. So if I have a printer that runs low on ink and I go to where I keep my inks and I look at it and I see I've got 3 cartons of ink, one of them is dated 2024, one is dated 2026, one's dated 2027, I'll put the older one in. Do you need to change inks when they go past these days? Absolutely not. I know apparently in some language translations, the use before date is a little bit more imperative to tell you, and yeah, ignore them. These are 3 inks just taken from my P5000. This Vivid Magenta, oh, that one's dated 2027. Plenty of use left on that. This one here is a cyan. Oh dear, yeah, that's also 2027. Great, no problem there. Here's the matte black. Now, this one's relatively empty. Oh no, 2020, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to carry on using it. Essentially, with a sealed ink system like you've got here, the only ink maintenance I would suggest you do for a printer like this is every 6 months, when it's switched off, take the cartridges out, and this goes for a P900, P700 as well. Obviously, P700 is quite small cartridges, so they're not going to last for years and years unless you don't use the printer much. And if you don't use the printer much, you're always asking for problems, but not connected with ink spillage or storage. Just do this. I don't know if my microphone can pick that up. Don't shake it vigorously, just a gentle shake for a few seconds. Turn it upside down, do it for that, and put them in. That will prevent any tendency for settling for pigment inks. But other than that, if somebody tells you to replace your inks when they run out of date, tell them to go away, or some other polite dismissal. It really is arrant nonsense. I have never, in many years of using these printers, got rid of an ink because it was out of date. So there you go. Yeah, I don't know where it came from. Must be someone trying to flog inks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was of interest. Bye.